Good morning. We have another live morning analysis for Friday, March 13th. Getting right into it, not wasting any time. Gonna mark out previous day high, previous day low. Let me turn on the magnet. I'm already expecting to go in lower size today just because this whole entire week has kind of been chop city pretty much for the whole entire AM session. And previous day consequent encouragement. Okay. So daily time frame, I feel like this low is way too far, this high is way too far. So we're kind of going to stick in this range, and we have this little volume imbalance right here. We can look on the weekly and find 20 to 30% of the range. TGIF. So we already kind of passed it, so we can kind of get TJIF out of our way because it's way down here, right? So 4 hour now. On the 4 hour, we have this sell side liquidity with this little fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, we'll leave it like that. And then, what do we have in here? No 4 hour highs. I feel like this high is super far away. Dropping down to the 1 hour. We have these relative equal highs. What do we see around these relative equal highs? Previous day consequent encroachment. What else do we see? This fair value gap at the high. Bam. Okay. Let's check for SMT right now. We have a slight SMT with this low. Nothing too major. Then we have an SMT with a high. But with the AM volatility, that's probably not going to hold. Let's see. Let's look at this high. We have these fair value gaps. This might turn into an order block, whatever. Okay. Now let's check London low and London high. Okay. Boom. London low. Took out London high, took out Asia high. Hold up, that was Asia high, yeah? Okay, so currently sitting at bless me. We have an SMT with ES at Asia high so far. If that holds, I don't know. We'll see. It's still early. This is before 8:30. So obviously we don't need to go below the 15-minute time frame right now just for our morning analysis. But what do we see? Well, we have a couple options. So we know that previous day high is kind of too far to target because we already took out previous day low. These ranges have been kind of shit. Okay. So one option could be we come down, find one of these imbalances right here, have our internal model, and take out previous day consequent encroachment along with all of this buy side liquidity. That's all relative equal highs. inside of this 1 hour civvy in order to go lower. Okay. So we can look for a model if it drops inside of here. Look for an internal model to our internal buy side liquidity. Or what else you could look for today is, let's say, the opposite, right? We come down, we hold this SMT with Asia high with ES, internal model, and bam. Since we already took out Asia high and London high, and we have this SMT where NQ took out Asia high and ES did not take out Asia high. If we have this internal model right here to the downside, then we can target London low and this imbalance. Or price can just kind of come up here and then do something like that. So those are the 3 models I'm waiting, or I'm going to be looking for today. Obviously, wait to see what market shows you. But other than that, nothing too significant today.